There are several types of audio connectors, including 3.5 mm 1/8 inch connector. This is a small, standard audio connector that is commonly used for headphones and other portable audio devices. 6.35 mm 1/4 inch connector. This is a larger audio connector that is commonly used for professional audio equipment, such as musical instruments, amplifiers, and mixers. RCA connector. This is a type of connector that uses a pair of cables with RCA plugs to carry audio signals. It is commonly used for home theater systems, DVD players, and other consumer audio equipment. XLR connector. This is a professional audio connector that is commonly used for microphones, mixers, and other audio equipment that requires balanced connections. Speak-on connector. This is a type of connector that is commonly used for professional audio equipment, such as amplifiers and speakers. It is designed to provide a secure, reliable connection that can handle high power levels. Optical connector. This is a type of connector that uses a fiber optic cable to carry digital audio signals. It is commonly used for home theater systems and other high-end audio equipment.